darkest night will end and the sun will rise again.
It was all a dream.
That's how I thought about our entire situation. I realized quitting was the complete opposite of what needed to be done. Just because others lost the vision of their pursuit of personal gain didn't mean I necessarily needed to stop. We have amazing leaders in place, and I took the last couple days to mastermind with all the top producers of my team, including everyone who was willing to sacrifice everything in their life to help other people succeed and build a long-term legacy. I thought about the lives that we will impact, and the obstacles are just like roadblocks. They are here so we can overcome them and grow. Life is like a classroom, and I just had to pass that next test to get to the next level. That's what I learned from my mentor, Jonathan Emerald. Thank you for everything that you've done for me and the countless people that you've mentored and impacted through extraordinary results like no other master teacher.
Person, or because people are hating on you or whatever, jinxing you from afar. It derives from the fact that you still, to the core of yourself, do not feel that you are worthy of it. Because if you did feel worthy, you did feel that you earned it completely, nobody could stand in your way, and nobody's going to put the idea of jinxing in your head. That's for the birds. Nobody can jinx me. I will have what I want to have, because I can. No other reason, because I can. And that's what I want, and I'm not going to be afraid of it. Nothing is possible until you accept that it is. Is it possible you will fail? Yes. Is it possible that you won't? Yes. Whichever dog you choose to feed in that fight, the one that says you can and the one that says you can't, will be your result in the end. That will be the dog that wins. So I urge you to feed the right one, for your own sake, and for the sake of everybody who believes it.
I realized we have lots of responsibility to everyone watching us, from the United States, Latin America, Europe, and even Asia and Australia. And we made the decision to not give up. Every time you want to change something in this universe, the entire universe conspires for you to go the right path again. So we finally found a solution. We found a safe haven where we can sail and we can build and continue to build our legacy. We had some of the most amazing days in our entire lives, walking around, having fun, spending time with each other, and really impacting and growing together, because we finally found the right opportunity which matches our high expectations, and matches our high leadership, and matches our high expectation when it comes to products and product results. I'm super happy about how everything changed, and I know that this time nothing will be able to stop us. Now is the time to show who was really working and who was just talking. Now is the time to show what kind of people we are, and also for you to show what kind of person you are. Now it's really, really important for everyone watching this video to make a decision, because what I learned in the past from my mentors is that real leaders also make hard decisions, and from the outside it's never going to be easy to judge. It's always easy to judge when you only have one side one point of the entire situation, but it takes a master to really reflect and look at everything. And then, when you really have an overall view of the entire situation, it's very, very important to make a decision. It's important to make a decision, not quick, but definite. You make a decision for you, your family, your friends, and your entire legacy for the next upcoming years. And when you make that decision, stick with it. Don't let anyone tell you it's wrong. Only you know what's right for you. And that's the direction you need to go. And once you made that decision, never look back. You can have great memories in the past, and you will also continue to have great memories in the future. But now, it's the time to show what kind of person you are. Actions speak louder than words. And I wish everyone the most success in whatever they do. There's enough room in this world for us all to be super successful. And what I realized in the last few weeks and even months, it's to be 100% happy, to impact other people, and to impact other people in a positive way, you need to be 100% happy yourself. And that's what I saw in the last couple of days. The impact we were able to make on other people was just on a whole new level. And we finally made the right decision.
If you want me,